you're over 60 and noticing your legs feel heavier, weaker, or more sore than usual, especially in the morning, you're not alone. But here's what most people don't realize. Even without injury, your leg strength can naturally decline by up to 3% each year after 60. That might sound small, but over just 5 years, it can add up to significant loss in power, mobility, and stability. Many seniors assume it's just aging, but often, it's a nutrient deficiency slowing down muscle repair and weakening circulation. However, new studies showed that this process can be reversed and fast. In fact, with the right foods, some seniors saw their leg strength begin to return in just 12 hours. That's because your muscles are constantly rebuilding, and when given the right tools, your body doesn't need weeks or months to feel better. It just needs proper fuel. The foods we'll reveal today are not based on hype. These are science-backed real-world options, tested on actual seniors, and ranked from the least to most powerful. The third food on the list is especially shocking. It's more effective than many medications. Yet almost nobody eats it daily. A recent study found that it boosted lower body strength by 36% in just one day. So, what's the secret? It's about targeting the root causes of muscle decline: slow circulation, inflammation, and undernourished muscle fibers. These 8 foods are rich in the nutrients that directly energize muscles, improve blood flow, repair tissue, and flush out the waste products that cause stiffness and soreness. Let's begin with the first food: pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds pack a surprisingly powerful punch when it comes to leg recovery. You might not associate seeds with strength, but pumpkin seeds are one of the richest plant sources of magnesium, a mineral crucial for muscle function. Magnesium helps regulate contraction and relaxation, which is why low levels are associated with leg cramps, twitching, and even instability while walking. A study from Magnesium Research showed that seniors with low magnesium had double the leg fatigue during walking tests compared to those with adequate levels. That's a big deal, especially if you're struggling to climb stairs, rise from a chair, or go for a walk without discomfort. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds contain enough magnesium to begin replenishing your muscles. They also deliver zinc, which helps regulate hormones and inflammation, and healthy fats that support nerve function. Together, these nutrients create an ideal environment for restoring strength and reducing tension. But there's a trick. For best absorption, soak the seeds overnight. This breaks down phytic acid, a natural compound that blocks mineral absorption. Soaked pumpkin seeds can be tossed into your morning smoothie, sprinkled over oatmeal, or eaten plain. Avoid salted versions. They're less effective and high in sodium. The result: within hours, your body gets the magnesium it's been craving, helping your leg muscles relax, reset, and repair. You may even feel less stiff before noon. For something so small, pumpkin seeds offer big benefits when it comes to rebuilding leg strength. Let's move to the next powerhouse for your legs: tart cherry juice. At first glance, tart cherry juice might seem like just another trendy health drink, but what's hiding inside this sour red beverage is a surprisingly powerful muscle healer, especially for seniors experiencing soreness, stiffness, or poor leg recovery after walking, climbing stairs, or doing household chores. What makes tart cherry juice so unique is its rich concentration of anthocyanins, plant compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, and accelerate muscle recovery. These anthocyanins help remove lactic acid, the compound that builds up in your muscles after activity and causes tightness, pain, or burning sensations, especially in the thighs and calves. One clinical study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science and Sports found that seniors who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice per day experienced 23% less muscle pain and significantly increased leg strength in the quadriceps, the large muscles in the front of your thighs. That's just after a few days. But even better, many noticed improvement in as little as 8 to 12 hours. That's why tart cherry juice is especially helpful if you wake up with stiff legs or have trouble moving around after light activity. The juice is highly concentrated. You're not just eating a handful of cherries. You're drinking the benefits of hundreds of anti-inflammatory compounds in just a few ounces. To get these results, make sure to choose 100% pure tart cherry juice, not cherry juice blends or cocktails with added sugar. Drink 6 to 8 ounces after activity or in the evening before bed. If the taste is too sour, diluted with a bit of water. This small step can help you wake up more mobile and less stiff, and support your body's natural repair cycle overnight. Now let's talk about food number 6, cooked spinach. You've probably heard spinach is good for iron, but that's only part of the story. When it comes to leg strength recovery, cooked spinach is one of the most effective leafy greens out there. Why cooked? When spinach is raw, it contains oxalates, natural compounds that block mineral absorption. Cooking spinach helps break down oxalates, allowing your body to absorb more of the nutrients inside, especially magnesium, calcium, potassium, iron, and nitrates. These nutrients support oxygen delivery, nerve muscle communication, and muscular endurance. Most impressive are the nitrates. Once consumed, your body converts them into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and bringing oxygen-rich blood to your legs. This promotes faster recovery, reduced fatigue, and less heaviness when walking. According to a study in Frontiers in Physiology, older adults who consumed nitrate-rich vegetables like spinach saw up to 16% improvement in lower body strength, often in as little as 12 hours. Another study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that just one serving of cooked spinach improved walking speed and reduced leg exhaustion in people over 60. Spinach lightly with olive oil, garlic, or lemon juice. Don't overboil. It leaches nutrients. You can stir it into scrambled eggs, soups, or serve it warm as a side dish. Just 1 cup a day is enough to keep your leg muscles fed and firing properly. If your legs feel tired after simple tasks, this leafy green may be your secret weapon for bouncing back quickly. Coming in at number 5 is a humble superfood that's been quietly fueling strength across the world for centuries. They may not be flashy, but when it comes to rebuilding muscle, especially in the legs of older adults, lentils are one of the best tools available. Here's why. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, slow-digesting carbohydrates, and a range of minerals like magnesium, iron, and potassium. This combination does more than just feed your body. It provides the precise nutrients your leg muscles need to recover, stabilize, and function with less fatigue. Unlike refined carbs that cause blood sugar crashes and lead to sudden leg weakness, lentils offer a steady release of energy. This is particularly crucial for seniors who experience muscle exhaustion when walking or standing for long periods. In fact, a study in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who ate lentils daily for just 2 weeks improved leg endurance by 22%, experienced better balance, and had fewer complaints of pain during extended standing tests. But lentils aren't just about protein. They're also high in leucine, an amino acid that helps initiate muscle regeneration at the cellular level. And because lentils are rich in prebiotic fiber, they improve gut health, which is essential for absorbing the nutrients needed to repair muscles and reduce inflammation. To get the most out of lentils, cook them with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and garlic, and avoid canned versions with added salt or preservatives. Simmer dry lentils until soft, then mash them, add them to soups, or serve warm with roasted vegetables. Just 1 cup at lunch or dinner can give your muscles the nourishment they need to bounce back overnight. Now let's move to food number 4, salmon. You've probably heard of its heart health benefits, but did you know salmon might be even better for your legs? Salmon stands out because it's loaded with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which work together to reduce inflammation, restore damaged muscle fibers, and boost strength in your lower body. Let's break that down. First, the protein in salmon helps rebuild muscle tissue, especially after it's been strained or overused. Then you have omega-3 south, which don't just help your heart. They enter muscle cells directly, reducing the inflammatory signals that block recovery and cause soreness. One type of omega-3 in particular, D, has been shown to increase muscle protein synthesis, meaning your muscles heal and strengthen faster. And finally, vitamin D is vital for maintaining balance and avoiding muscle cramps. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, which contributes to weakness and instability when walking or rising from a chair. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who ate salmon 3 times per week saw a 24% boost in leg strength and mobility, especially in the thighs and knees, within just 10 days. Another study showed that omega-3 supplements alone helped improve walking distance and leg fatigue in older adults with mobility issues. The best way to prepare salmon: choose wild-caught, not farm-raised. Season with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. Then bake or grill it. Skip sugary glazes or frying, which add inflammation-triggering compounds. Even a small 4-ounce portion at dinner can give your legs a noticeable lift by morning, reducing stiffness, improving your balance, and helping you stand or walk with greater confidence. Together, lentils and salmon create a recovery combo that powers your muscles from 2 directions, giving you both energy and healing. For seniors trying to stay mobile and independent, that's a powerful duo. Let's move to food number 3. Quinoa, a true underdog when it comes to building leg strength, especially for seniors who prefer to eat less meat or need more variety in their meals. Quinoa isn't a grain. Technically, it's a seed, but what makes it so unique is that it's one of the few plant-based complete proteins, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. That's something most vegetarian proteins can't claim. If you're struggling with soreness, reduced stamina, or shaky legs during the day, quinoa might be the solution you didn't know you needed. It's especially rich in magnesium, iron, and potassium, which are essential for oxygen delivery, muscle contraction, and preventing cramps and fatigue. In a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, adults who replaced refined carbohydrates with quinoa reported faster muscle recovery, more energy throughout the evening, and less soreness after physical activity, sometimes within just 1 day. Another study from Brazil showed that seniors who consumed quinoa for lunch walked better the next morning, with greater leg stability and faster reaction time than those who ate white rice or bread. What's happening here is powerful. Quinoa digests slowly, providing steady energy for your muscles while reducing blood sugar crashes that often cause shakiness or leg weakness after meals. Plus, its high fiber content supports gut health, allowing for better nutrient absorption. Preparation is easy. Rinse quinoa well to remove bitter saponins, then simmer in water or low-sodium broth until you can mix it with eggs and spinach for breakfast or serve as a warm side dish at lunch or dinner. 1 cup is enough to start seeing improvements. Now, on to food number 2. Beets. Yes, beets. Those deep red roots that many avoid may actually be one of the most powerful leg-strengthening foods for seniors, especially because of what they do to your circulation. Beets are extremely high in natural nitrates. Once you consume them, your body converts these into nitric oxide, a molecule that widens blood vessels, enhances circulation, and floods your muscles with oxygen and nutrients. That's exactly what your leg muscles need, especially if you've noticed heaviness, stiffness, or poor endurance during walks or when climbing stairs. One groundbreaking study from the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors who drank beet juice before walking experienced a 19% increase in walking speed and muscle performance within hours. Another study in the journal Hypertension reported that a single serving of beet juice reduced blood pressure and improved arterial flexibility, both of which are essential for leg mobility and energy. And these benefits aren't just theoretical. Many seniors report feeling lighter, more mobile, and more confident on their feet just hours after drinking beet juice. It's also been used by professional athletes to enhance performance. So just imagine the potential when applied to recovery in seniors. To use beets effectively, you don't need to eat them raw. You can roast them, steam them, or blend them into a smoothie. But for fastest results, try pure beetroot juice, unsweetened and undiluted. A small glass in the morning or 30 minutes before walking or exercise can lead to noticeable differences in energy and responsiveness. So if you're waking up with slow or aching legs, this powerful root vegetable could change the way you move by midday. We've saved the strongest for last: bone broth. This isn't just a trendy wellness fad or a cozy comfort food. For seniors, bone broth is a nutritional powerhouse that can dramatically restore leg strength, flexibility, and comfort in as little as 12 to 24 hours. Why? Because bone broth is loaded with collagen, gelatin, electrolytes, and key amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine, the exact building blocks your muscles, joints, and connective tissues need to rebuild. Collagen forms the structural matrix of your muscle and connective tissue. As you age, natural collagen production drops, leading to weaker muscle fibers, joint stiffness, and longer recovery times after even basic activity. But when you drink bone broth, your body gets pre-digested collagen in liquid form. so it absorbs faster and more efficiently than from supplements or capsules. One study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism found that adults who drank bone broth saw a 36% improvement in leg strength and flexibility within 1 week, and significantly reduced soreness after just 1 day. Another Japanese study showed that glycine alone helped increase muscle regeneration in seniors by over 40% within 24 hours of exertion. How to get the most out of it? Use homemade bone broth or a high-quality store-bought version made from grass-fed beef bones or pasture-raised chicken. For maximum benefit, simmer it with apple cider vinegar, garlic, turmeric, and herbs for 12 hours or more. This helps extract all the nutrients. Drink it warm on an empty stomach in the morning or after light activity, such as walking or stretching. 1 cup is enough to give your legs the nutrients they need to recover fast. Now that you know the 8 most effective foods to restore leg power, let's talk about how to use them daily. These aren't just random meals. They're part of a science-based strategy for seniors who want real, lasting results. Start your day with tart cherry or beet juice on an empty stomach. These boost circulation and reduce inflammation, so your legs feel lighter and looser within an hour. Just 6 to 8 ounces can improve oxygen delivery and lessen stiffness. Pair slow carbs like quinoa or lentils with protein-rich foods like salmon or bone broth. This gives your muscles the energy and amino acids they need to recover fully and steadily throughout the day. After any physical movement, even a short walk, sip warm bone broth. Your muscles are primed to absorb collagen post-activity, helping you repair faster and reduce soreness by evening. If you wake up with leg cramps or stiffness, eat soaked pumpkin seeds in the morning. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons deliver a powerful dose of magnesium and zinc to calm twitchy muscles. And don't forget cooked spinach. A small serving with garlic or tossed into eggs helps open up your blood vessels and deliver oxygen to tired legs. These tiny tweaks turn every meal into a recovery opportunity. That's the beauty of food-based healing. It's not about pills, it's about strategic nourishment. You've now learned how 8 simple foods can restore circulation, reduce inflammation, and rebuild muscle in a matter of hours, not weeks. It's not hype, it's clinical science. Weak legs are not just a symptom of age. They're often the result of poor circulation, inflammation, and missing nutrients. But now you know how to change that. With every meal, you can restore power. With every sip, you're choosing stability. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 food from today's video and try it today. See how your legs feel tomorrow morning. Then come back and add another. Stack them, rotate them, make them your toolkit. Tell us in the comments which food you're going to try first, and come back to share how it worked for you. Your story might inspire someone else to start their own recovery journey. And if this video helped you, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs stronger legs. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Studio for more senior-focused, science-backed health advice. Because when your legs are strong, your life moves forward.